Hi! In front of me is REALME 6i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on auto rotation on this REALME. Firstly, go into tab menu. Now find auto rotate icon over here and tap on it. As you can see, now this icon turned blue. That means that auto rotation is on. But you can also go into device settings, scroll down, click on display and brightness, scroll down again and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is definitely on. But you can always just check it out by going into any app and simply turning your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!